Okie dokie. All right, I think it's going.
Yay! Are you excited?
I'm nervous
You're nervous?
because you can make me say crazy things.
You know me so well. You're so nervous. Okay, so usually for the intro to my video, I try and do something kind of sassy. You've seen the videos. So I'll be like, hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caroline, and this is a bedroom makeover, bitches. Buckle up. You know, like something like that. Would you be comfortable saying that?
Me?
Yeah.
I teach religion at Stone Ridge.
That's true. You wanna do a practice round? Hey, welcome back to my channel. Oh, fuck. What was I gonna say? I'm gonna start over.
I'm her mom.
Hey, hi. Well, actually, you know what? How about I'll say it and then you just go, at the end of it, you go, buckle up.
Yeah, that's
Okay, cool. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caroline.
I'm Lauren. I'm Caroline's mom.
And this is a bedroom makeover, bitches.
Buckle up.
I love you.
Okay.
For this video, I'm making over a room in my mom's house. It's gonna be a 2-part makeover, 2 videos. So it's COVID, everything's coming in late with the furniture, so unfortunately that's why it's split up. You guys know COVID, you've heard of COVID, but I wanna get a video out for you guys. That's pretty much it. We're done.
Okay.
I'm about to take you into a room that contains many mysteries, many disappointments, door slamming, diary writing, sleep paralysis. There's a long time I had sleep paralysis. It's my childhood bedroom. Let's go. Wow. Oh, wow. What a mess. I spent most of my childhood in this bedroom. Right now, we mostly use this room as like a spare, crappy guest room. It's not comfortable. Nobody wants to spend time in here. Some major flaws. It's a small room. This angle makes it look big. This is a lie. Creepy pictures of me from the days when I did a lot of theater. That one's neat. I'm an old lady. I'm an old lady. Cool boxes. Oh, that's dog pee for sure. I don't think I ever treated a rug with kindness. What else? Look at that. Green ceiling. Lime green. It's a choice. Trophies. Who's athletic? It's me. We did have a dresser. I've sold the dresser already. Oh, I've been spending a lot of time on Facebook Marketplace trying to sell all this crap. It's been just like constant ding dong ditching. 100 people, can I have this? Can I have this? Can I have this? Is this available? Yeah, bitch, that's why I posted it, because I want you to have it. And they disappear. Times 100. What's the deal? I want you to have it. You can have it. It's available. Do you want it? I'm confused. The closet over here. I'm gonna sit down. So, am I flashing you? Don't do that. Another big thing, the windows. It's so bright. I want this focus. The light just comes streaming in. My older sister always sleeps in here when she visits, and bitch complains, let me tell you. So, sturdy blinds. We got a lot of work to do. I think it'll be good. I think it'll be cool. All right, let's go. I'm tired. Okay, stuff we've ordered is coming in. It's taking up space. My mom's getting mad at me, so I gotta clear out this room. Here we go. Oh, look at the puppy in the corner. Wolfie. He's deaf, he can't hear me. Okay. Oh, he's gone. When I start designing a room, I start with either the largest piece of furniture or the main piece of functionality, and both in this case are the bed. So we're starting with the bed. We know we want the biggest bed possible so that this is actually a comfortable guest room. These are very nice. And to fit a big bed, we're doing no dressers and instead going with oversized nightstands. So that's how I start thinking stuff through. Gotta take these down. Look at this. Swimming trophy. Tennis trophy. Soccer. You think I wasn't good? I was good. I was okay, actually. Freaking ballroom dancing trophy. I have several of these. Are you impressed? Actually, oh crap. Oh, I bet you thought I couldn't ballroom dance, huh, didn't you? Well, shame on you. So my vision for this guest bedroom is kind of like classic English country home with modern accents. Honestly, I don't know if I'm describing that right, but those are the words I'm choosing. Dang. Day 2. I'm going to move the stuff we have currently into the room. You can do as many mock-ups and vision casting as you want, but until you stand in the space and you see how light comes in from the window and what it sounds like, you do experience it very differently by physically staying in the room. Am I sounding stupid? Is that a dumb thing? Is that obvious? I don't know. I'm saying it, whatever. You can fast forward if you're bored. Like, you know, you might hang up a TV and then you notice that the way the light comes in from the window, it like glares off the TV and the TV is rendered completely useless. I am using so many words to say so little. I don't know what is wrong with me. There's certain times of the month. Does anybody else experience this? There's a fog. I'm significantly dumber. I don't know if that's a dangerous idea to put out into the world in the era of feminism, but man, I get dumb sometimes.
Look, it's my brother. Do you possibly want to help me move some furniture into the bedroom upstairs? Yeah? You're the best! Okay.
Put it on camera, I'm not gonna say no.
That's true.
I'm freaking sneaky.
I started moving in this amazing rust-colored textured rug I found. Dang. And I'm headed to Carpet Palace. Such a sexy name for a carpet store. To go look at some carpet samples. So hot in this car. I'm gonna die. Here we go to get a carpet. It's just a small piece, but you know it's a carpet. A tip my mom taught me is that carpet stores will often sell you scraps of carpets that are large enough to be a whole area rug, and you can get a good price. Oh my god. This is a good one. This is really nice to me. Okay, yeah, that did not pan out. Didn't really find what we were hoping to find. I want some texture in my rug. So my mom and I are headed out to Ballard Designs. We're looking for a rug. Ever heard of it?
Currently sitting in some chairs.
The head tilt is key.
I'm extremely attracted to this dresser.
Ooh. Ooh.
Why are you tapping it so much?
I can hear it.
But why do you need to hear it?
I can't find these MFing rugs. And I have that thing where like, I would rather wander for 3 hours than ask someone for help in a store. So we saw the rug and it's a completely different color than represented online. We were very disappointed. So we were 0 for 2 for rugs until I found this CB2 rug that was the perfect saturated, moody vibe I was looking for. Oh, lol, hello. That is way too close. Thank you. Yes. Oh.
Which way did we want it to go, actually?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So pretty. Dressers.
Oh, that's true. Oh, dang. I don't think I'm doing anything.
Right.
I am here, though.
Like I said, we knew we wanted really oversized nightstands.
I'm not doing anything again. Okay.
I initially fell in love with these ones at Crate and Barrel, and we tried to go see them in person. At Crate and Barrel, Mom in the background. Really reading the ingredient list.
What are you doing? Yeah, tip it over like that. How did it sound?
Nice.
Okay, swivel for me. That's good. That's good work.
So they didn't have in stock the nightstands we wanted. I don't know where my mom is. But I found these other gray blue nightstands that I like even more. I usually don't get too upset when my first choice is available because the second choice always ends up being more fun or more creative. Also, like, this stuff isn't serious. None of this matters. The combo of these together is like even better in person than I thought.
Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, yes! Yes to this.
I love how the light blue of the dressers and the deep richness of the rug kind of play off each other. And the giant drawers for storage was key because that's our main storage furniture-wise in here. And then to balance the different colors coming in, I'm gonna do something neutral by bringing in a wood bed.
Oh, cute.
I'm gonna put this one over here. And this can go between the dressers, yeah. Bitch, this better fit.
Oh yeah!
Butternut.
Thank you.
I like it.
I'm gonna show my dad. Might be no response. A sarcastic reaction.
What you think? Good? What is that? What are you doing?
Just measuring.
That's cool.
All right, thanks for stopping by.
Okay, I'm back.
One of the biggest upgrades in this room is that we're going from a twin size bed to a queen. Went on Craigslist and some dude in a warehouse was selling this bed for like a few $100s. Craigslist is the best. We found a bed for like a fraction of the price that was identical to like a Garnet Hill one for $2,000 that I wanted. This place was insane. There was furniture literally to the ceiling, also all in the bathroom, like stacked up to the toilet. Appreciate this selfie.
Pretty nice.
Very nice.
It's by Henkel Harris, which is like not very popular right now, but I don't care. I do what I want. Here we go, let's do it. With everything else in the room feeling very like fresh and new, I could afford to go a little traditional with the bed, and I just love the like traditional silhouette here.
That took like 25 seconds. Why was that so much easier than an IKEA bed? What? It was only 4 pieces. I didn't have to screw nothing.
I'd also like to note that this bed is the same as the one my American Girl doll had, Felicity, daughter of the American Revolution, and that is important to me.
I just had the idea to do a mirror right here on the wall above the dresser. There is one that I was looking at online, so I'm just going to tape it out to see if the proportions are correct. Okay. So that is the height of the mirror. That's actually pretty good. But I would kind of love to do a mirror that goes way tall up there. I don't know if I can sell the client, AKA mommy, on that one. We'll see.
Taping things out can help you to visualize, but it can also help to share your vision with someone else.
Come on. It would be so neat. Come on. It would be so cool. Large mirror, very impactful. Small mirror, not quite the same.
It's totally counterintuitive, but in a small space, you can still go large with decor, and it actually makes things feel more mature and intentional.
Small space, small room, still means you go big. It actually makes everything else feel grander. It doesn't make sense. I can't tell you why this is true. I can't tell you, but I am telling you that it is true. Don't ask me any questions. I have no answers. Okay, y'all, this is a little side table. It's a pedestal table that's gonna go in that corner with the reading chair. I'm pretty excited about it. We'll see, here we go.
And we chose a pedestal table in order to save space because there's fewer legs, and we really need to save like every inch of space in this room.
Okay, so it's like this black iron. I don't know what this metal is. I think this goes in like this. Ooh la la. Ooh la la, bitch. Okay, I can barely lift this. Marble top, so heavy. I feel like I open boxes like a maniac.
We knew we wanted a little like reading nook or working nook in the corner of the room. Even though there's so little space, we wanted to make it work because that is how my siblings, especially my sister, uses this room. So again, focusing on functionality. We'll also be getting a new armchair that comes in this really light, bright material. It's just not here yet, but I think that the black of the bistro table is gonna pop so nicely next to the lighter chair. It's gonna be dramatic.
I'm obsessed with this table. It's kind of Parisian feeling. You know, my mom likes to say that every room needs a touch of black. And you know what? The bitch is right. She's gonna be so mad at me for calling her the bitch. But it's a compliment, Mom. You're a bad bitch. Very happy with the touch of black. The bitch speaks truths. Mom, I'm joking. Don't be mad. Remember all the good times we had. It's painting day. My brother's gonna help me.
Oh, hey.
My mom doesn't trust me to do a good job. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Good coverage. One thing we're gonna keep in mind when painting the ceiling, where the light is coming from and where a person enters the room. They're gonna be less likely to see streaks of the roller if we paint this way, right?
Towards the line of sight.
Towards the line of sight. In the line of sight. All right, here we go.
I'll be honest with you, I just like to do projects alone. I don't know, I have a manic energy and I like to be alone in my mania, but the one exception is my brother. He is my buddy and it's so much fun to just like paint away the day and be toodle-doos, you know?
Okay, this is probably the most exciting part for me, which is wallpaper. This wallpaper right here. But the brand is Sanderson Summer Harvest in claret and olive. I don't know what claret is, but I'm sure it's something special and fancy.
I'm obsessed with wallpaper right now. I knew I wanted a lot of pattern in this room, and this was an easy choice. Are you kidding me? Wallpaper is actually pretty tricky and frustrating to install yourself. You can do it, but in my mom's house, we decided to outsource it. If you do want to DIY, just make sure you do your research. You want to know whether your wallpaper is woven or non-woven to know if it will shrink or expand or leave cracks. You want to know how to hide seams behind draperies or which wall to start installing on in the room. There's a lot of different details and you can totally do it, but for our situation, we just decided to hire the professional. And to get everything ready for the paper hanger, I just went ahead and removed all screws, sanded and patched all holes, and also painted the trim. I did not take any videos of that, but here is the trim that I painted. And I painted just willy-nilly because we were gonna wallpaper over it, so it literally didn't matter. And oh my God, did I feel like such a twisted pervert painting that way. It felt so wrong. I really love how this wallpaper's wispy organic shapes kind of break up the other rectangles that are in the room. I keep doing these stupid snaps, like using the wrong hand or just like getting the timing wrong. I mean, I'm sorry. I really just don't think the snaps are for me, but whatever. The point is, the furniture is back in the room and I'm setting up a Casper mattress. This is not sponsored at all, but Casper makes a product that will allow you to put their mattresses on one of these older beds like this. It's basically in place of a box spring, and you just put it right on top of the bed slats, and the mattress goes on top of that. So it's awesome. You can have a modern, affordable mattress on your stinky old American Girl doll bed. Great news, I sold my mom on the mirrors. She was totally on board and it was time to install. And let me tell you, I was so scared to put drywall anchors through that brand new wallpaper. Oh my God, it needed to be straight and I needed to do it right. Again, using my favorite hack for hanging stuff, you just take a piece of painter's tape, draw where those holes need to go, and then you put that right on the wall. You still need to make sure everything's level and measured correctly, but it's just an easy way to transfer at least the distance between the holes. You get it. Before using the drill bit, I just take the nail and tap a little starting point that helps the drill bit kind of catch. That was really stressful. Oh my God, that was stressful. It actually worked. Look at that. I was in shock. I couldn't believe it was straight. Oh my God. The amount of time and the amount of sweat that it took to hang this mirror. This montage does not do it justice. I was nervous. But you know what? It was worth it because I'm loving how the room is looking. It's not done. I just threw in a random couple styling items just so I could sleep at night. But in part 2 of the makeover, we'll be doing full styling, lamps, nightstand styling, a new armchair, window treatments, shades, something for all these blank walls. I don't totally know what yet. It's gonna be good though. It's gonna be all the juicy stuff. Mostly I wanna give a big shout out to my mom who trusted me with her house and we had a lot of fun together. I love you, Mom. Thanks for watching part 1 of our video. Love you, Mom. You're the best.
Love you, Caroline.
Oh, if you're confused because I have introduced myself as a different name in every other video, you're correct. It's confusing and I refuse to explain it. Actually, if I get to 5,000 subscribers, I'll let you know why I have a different name now. And until then, just deal with the mystery. And if you think my mom is the best, leave a comment, because it's true, she do. Like the video, subscribe, share it with a mom. Moms are my biggest fans.
I'm your favorite mom.
You are my #1 mom. Thank you for having me on Earth.
I might make the bed covers, the duvet cover.
Really? That'd be phenomenal.
If I can find fabric because I sew.
So that'll be the next video. Stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be good. Or it's gonna be something. I'm gonna do it. We're done.